Can someone tell me why my laptop is constantly making that noise? Can you guys hear it? If you guys, someone can tell me why my computer's constantly running loud, like the motors, like it's loud. Can someone tell me? If you guys can hear it, I'll be quiet for a minute. See, and then lifting it up doesn't do any good. Like, can someone tell me why this is happening? I need a better computer expert out there. I'd call my friend Sarah's mom, Patty, but she never answers her phone and whatnot. And if I do leave a message, she takes forever to get back to you. So can anybody on here tell me why my laptop is constantly running like the motor is running loud? Thank you very much. Bye.